The main inspiration was taken from salt flat races, which they did in the 1950s in Nevada and all over America. So for the model, because it's like a 1:4 scale model, it's roughly about 1.10 m, 1.15 m, I needed a big printer to print it out. Printing on a printer with a big volume is always an advantage, because gluing small parts together always give you like a deviation, so you get really imprecise, and having a big volume helps. Yeah. If you want to make a more detailed model, 3D printing is great, because you can do more complex shapes and add a lot of more details. Take the data from the computer and then print it out.